Sir, you were charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine.
The officer observed the defendant's vehicle, failing to maintain a single lane of traffic. They also observed the vehicle to signal a lane change, failed to signal a lane change multiple times. A traffic stop was then conducted. The vehicle pulled over and the officer made contact with the defendant, the driver, and sole occupant of the vehicle. The officer observed a strong odor of alcohol in the defendant's breath and person. The officer then had the defendant step out and they observed the defendant to have red, glassy eyes and be unsteady on his feet. The defendant stated that he had 1 beer at a friend's house. The officer conducted SFSTs on scene. 6 out of 6 clues were observed on the HGN. 4 out of 8 clues were observed on the walk and turn, and 1 out of 4 clues were observed on the one-leg stand. The DIC was read to the defendant, and the defendant consented to provide a breath specimen. The results were 0.136 and 0.139.
What was the stop for again?
The stop was at 2:15 in the morning. He was failing to maintain a single lane of traffic, and then he also failed to signal a lane change multiple times.
All right, Mr. Turrubiates, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. Can you run him to see if he has any prior DWIs, please, and a license?
He does have a license and insurance, Your Honor, no prior history.
No prior DWIs.
All right. I am ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using, your bond will be revoked. You will go to jail. No more PR bonds. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. You don't have to waste your time coming to court, but you must stay in touch with counsel and he'll tell you if and when you have to come back to court. If he tells me he can't get a hold of you, you pick up a new case, you drive without a license, or it's not going to go well. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll have you sign a receipt, Victoria. You'll get with Felicia for your bond conditions and you guys are free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks.
Can I have your excuse?
Take care.
Okay.
Good morning.